Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Here is chapter number 2 of your computer subject, and the name of chapter is Parts of a Computer. Okay, and here is the first part of chapter number 2. What is the name of the chapter? Parts of a Computer. कि कंप्यूटर के कौन से पार्ट्स हैं और हर पार्ट्स के बारे में हमें इस चैप्टर में लर्न करना है. यू कैन सी हियर दैट देर आर सो मेनी पार्ट्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. ओके, यू कैन सी द पार्ट्स here. Main parts, the first one is monitor. Then the next part is, what is the next part? Do you know about it? The next part is CPU. Then the third part is keyboard, and we call it mouse. Okay everyone? And this is printer and speaker. Okay, I will explain you about the all parts in detail once more. What is the name of this part? Monitor. This one, CPU. This is keyboard. We call it mouse. This one is printer, and this one is speaker. Okay students, so let's begin about the all parts. A human body is made up of different parts. Yes, our human body means our body is made up of different parts like eyes, ears, nose, hands, fingers, legs, right? Teeth, lips, nose, right? Elbow, knees, right? This all are different parts merge with each other, joint with each other and create human body. ये सारे parts बनके हमारी human body बनती है, right? So each part has a special work to do. Yes, each part has special works to do. And other parts cannot do, any parts cannot do others work. ठीक है, हर पार्ट का अपना खुद का काम है. ओके, और कोई भी पार्ट किसी दूसरे पार्ट का काम नहीं कर सकता है एक्सेप्ट इन अ स्पेशल केसेस, स्पेशल पर्सन्स एबिलिटी. ठीक है, लेकिन क्या ईयर से आप देख सकते हो? नो, we can only hear. With eyes, you can smell anything? No, you can only see or watch anything. With nose, you can hear anything? No, you can just smell anything. With tongue, you can chewing anything? No, with tongue, we can taste of any food only, right? So each part has special works to do. Okay, other parts, any parts cannot do others part work. Okay, in the same way, computer is made up of different parts. Let's tell me faster. What is the name of this part? What is the name of this part? The name of this part is monitor. What is the name of this part? CPU. What is the name of this part? Keyboard. What is this small part? Mouse. This one is called printer, and this one is called speaker. Understood? So these all are different parts of computer. All these parts together make a computer work. सारे पार्ट्स एक दूसरे के साथ मिलके जॉइंट होके कंप्यूटर में कंप्यूटर को वर्क करवा सकते हैं। यहाँ आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, यू कैन सी, वहाँ लास्ट स्लाइड में आपने देखा सारे पार्ट्स सेपरेट थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे सारे पार्ट्स एक दूसरे के साथ अटैच होके एक कंप्यूटर बन गया है, राइट ना। सो all these parts together make a computer work. Okay, everyone? A computer is a machine that has four main parts. A computer is a machine. In the first chapter only I explain you this thing, that computer is a machine. It cannot work on its own, right? So here also I again tell you that computer is a machine and that has four main parts. You can see here the four parts: 1, 2, 3 and 4. These four are the main part which make computer work. Okay, let's see the next thing. What is the name of that part? I already told you this thing, that monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Okay, let's begin with monitor. The monitor, keyboard and mouse are attached to the CPU by a wire. सारे ये जो फर्स्ट, सेकेंड और थर्ड ये जो पार्ट्स है वो CPU के साथ वायर से अटैच होते हैं। कहाँ पे अटैच किया जाता है इनके वायर को? CPU में अटैच किया जाता है। The first part is monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. Yes, here two screens are there. Did you recognize that which one is monitor and which one is TV? Yes, the first, which is on the left side, is a monitor screen, and the right side, which is the second one, is a TV screen. So monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows the text typed in and the work done by us. It also display the result. मतलब हम कीबोर्ड से जो भी टाइप करेंगे वो हमें कहाँ दिखाई देगा? मॉनिटर में दिखाई देगा, ठीक है। It also display the result also. Online result like a board exam or any other college exam, जो भी एग्जाम होती है उनका रिजल्ट ऑनलाइन डिस्प्ले कहाँ होता है? मॉनिटर पे होता है, ठीक है। लेट्स सी द कीबोर्ड, हाउ इट्स लुक लाइक। जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट हियर that a keyboard has many buttons on it. You can see so many buttons are there on the keyboard, and what we call this button? Keys. हमें इसे बटन नहीं बोलना है, हम क्या बोलेंगे? कीज बोलेंगे, ठीक है। सो कीबोर्ड हैज मैनी बटन्स विच आर कॉल्ड कीज। A standard keyboard has 104 keys. This thing you must have to remember, that a standard keyboard has 104 keys. A keyboard is used for typing letters. You can see letters मतलब alphabets, A, B, C, D, that thing you can type. वर्ड्स मतलब कलेक्शन ऑफ अल्फाबेट्स, अल्फाबेट्स मिलके क्या बनता है? वर्ड्स बनता है। सो यू कैन टाइप लेटर्स मीन्स अल्फाबेट्स, वर्ड्स, नंबर, ओके, any type of number you can type, okay. And the last one, special symbol. Special symbol means what? In which plus, minus, dollar, at the rate sign is there, that one is called special symbol. So a keyboard is used for typing letters, words, numbers and symbols. Next part is central processing unit. We call it CPU. So what is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing and U for Unit. Okay. It also helps computer to remember thing. Okay. And it is also called the brain of a computer. CPU को brain भी कहा जाता है, ठीक है। So it also helps a computer to remember thing. और हमारे पास जो brain है वो भी क्या काम करता है? सब चीजें याद रखने का काम करता है ना। जस्ट लाइक दैट सीपीयू को भी कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन कहा जाता है, जिससे कंप्यूटर में आप जो भी वर्क करोगे वो सारी चीजें कौन याद रखेगा और स्टोर करके रखेगा? सीपीयू. ओके. All the other parts of a computer are attached to CPU by wire. जैसे हमारे ब्रेन के साथ सारी नर्व्स, सारे पार्ट्स की नर्व्स जॉइंट है ना, वैसे ही सीपीयू के साथ ही अदर पार्ट्स जॉइंट किए जाते हैं बाय अ वायर. सबके वायर होते हैं, लेकिन सब वायर कहाँ पे लगाए जाते हैं? सीपीयू के अंदर ही. ठीक है. ओके. सो टिल सीपीयू टुडे आई एम going to explain. In the next part, next week, I will explain you about the more parts like mouse, printer, speaker, and other thing is like microphone and CD. Okay, so other parts I will explain you in a next video. Next week you will learn about this. So what you learn today? You learn about the name of parts of a computer. What are the name of parts of a computer? Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Okay, and you learn that what is the use of monitor, keyboard and CPU. Okay students, so here I am going to end the video. Have a good day ahead. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Allah Hafiz everyone.